What is up, loud and proud crowd? I hope you guys are doing absolutely awesome today. But guys, here's what we need to discuss. First off, I've had some comments recently about, the horsepower mods. I've had a lot of comments down there, guys, Big Hoss. Oh, why haven't you started horsepower mods yet? Why haven't you? Well, to your defense, yes, I did. For the last 2 weeks, I've been saying, horsepower mods coming soon, horsepower mods coming soon, stay tuned, horsepower mods, you know what I'm saying? I was trying to get, people getting hyped up and stuff. Here's the thing, and in fact, 2 weeks ago in a video, I said, guys, I have like $3,000 worth of stuff in my cart. I'm about to order from the trucks. It's gonna be great. Stay tuned, it's gonna be happening really soon. I seriously was about to order that stuff and I get emails from companies. I was like, oh dude, this is sweet, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm getting these emails, companies are reaching out to me. I didn't even think about it. The first of the year, what are companies trying to do? Whether it's a truck, diesel truck company, gas truck company, whatever, it doesn't have to do with anything. Companies are reaching out to channels like mine or different Instagrammers with huge followings and stuff like that to try to reach out and be like, hey, we want you to represent our brand and we'll give you blank, blank, blank benefits. How's it sound? Well, I happen to get like 3 or 4 different companies email me within the first week of January. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna take this stuff out of my cart and I'm just gonna wait and see, try to make some business deals with these companies and see what can happen, see if land anything. I'm not gonna give you all the fine details because it's not really my place to say right now. Hopefully very soon I can give you some more intel on that. But let's just say that stuff is still in the works. I'm still working on closing some deals so I can get these horsepower mods going. But don't think that behind the scenes, I'm curled up in a blanket in my room watching Netflix, not working on this stuff. Guys, I'm freaking working on this stuff non-freaking stop, okay? Emailing companies, designing new merch for stuff that's gonna be happening, let's say 6 months from now. Like all kinds of stuff, designing new decals and stuff like that. Like I'm trying to do this stuff non-stop. Like I eat, sleep, breathe YouTube, my audience, my affiliate marketing, my merch. Like that's what I'm trying to work on, to design bigger and better things so that, down the road a couple months, I'm better off than I am right now. I mean, I'm doing fine right now, but I'm just saying, I want to keep doing better and better and better. I'm just going to leave it at that. Companies I'm talking with in the works. I can't give you all the details, all the deal stuff, all the different factors, but guys, don't think that I'm not working on this stuff behind the scenes, and just don't assume down in the comments that I don't want horsepower mods on my truck and that I don't want to get stuff going and that I don't want to make things happen, because believe me, I do, okay? I'm working on this stuff all the time and I'm trying to, get people moving. I'm like, this is kind of my everyday life. Like if I can't move on with these deals, move it or lose it. I need to go on to somebody else because I need to get stuff going. People are waiting. People expect to see me moving forward with stuff. And if I can't move forward with stuff, I got to move on to somebody else that's willing to move forward a lot faster. Don't think that I'm not working on this stuff, because trust me, I am, and hopefully some big things are happening very, very soon. I know you guys are going to be down in the comments, oh, you keep saying big stuff's going to happen soon. Big stuff's going to freaking happen soon. If you just assume, like, there's people down in the comments, oh, another light bar, I'm unsubscribing. See ya, you know what I mean? Like, I don't care. Just to sum it up, that's where we're at with the truck mod stuff. It is in the works, trying to close some deals. Can't sell you anymore, but don't think that I'm not working on it behind the scenes, trying to get stuff moving, because that is what I'm doing every single minute of every single day, is trying to move forward with my channel and all the things surrounding it. But let's move on to something else, and this is a freaking big deal, okay? There's some stuff that I've been working on to try to get stuff going for months out, okay? I've got something I'm trying to plan, guys, for 4 months out from now. I'm already designing for new merch drops and stuff 4 months from now, and let me tell you why, okay? This is gonna be huge, okay? And you guys are gonna want to be a part of this. I don't know for sure, like I can't tell you 100% this is or this isn't gonna happen, but what I can tell you is you guys are gonna wanna be a part. Here's the deal. You guys know how much I love my 5-speed 12-valve Cummins, right? I mean, everybody talks about 12-valve is holy grail truck. A 12-valve 5-speed, wow, that's even better, right? Well, I know there's a lot of guys that would have no problem owning a 5-speed 12-valve, you know what I'm saying? In good shape, that's pretty much rust-free, all that stuff. Like, would you guys be down to win a truck like that? I kind of gave it away. Anyways, this is all hypothetical, so don't like hold me to this, 6 months from now. And the people that are like, oh, well, another light bar video, I'm unsubscribing. You guys are missing out, and you know what? If you're gonna act like that, I don't want you here anyway. So for the people that are loyal supporters and the guys that keep on coming back every single day, I love you guys. You guys are gonna get an opportunity to win something huge, okay? With something that's a high ticket item like this, there's gonna have to be almost like a little bit of fundraiser type of deal that goes into winning a truck like this. What I'm thinking is, now this is just, like I said, this is hypothetical. This is if the channel's doing good, everything is growing well, everything is doing phenomenal, things are cruising, we're headed to the top, and everything is doing great. I'd like to buy either Florida, Texas, Arizona, you get the idea, a rust-free truck to start building for only 2-3 months. When I say build, I mean like small scale build. I'm talking like 50 horse injectors, maybe no fuel plate work at all done, intake horn, a cold air intake, you know, leveling kit, wheels and tires, done. Just a clean, simple 300 to maybe 350 horse build out the door, just done. You don't mess with it anymore. And then do the giveaway. This is what we'd have to do, okay? And I don't think this is too much to ask for, and I think you guys can totally understand because that's kind of a lot of money, especially for an 18-year-old. Still, I mean, it's for anybody, it's a lot of money, you know what I mean? But I want to do this for you guys, and I'm already saving back. I've been working on this, and I'm already saving back for that truck to try to do a giveaway for you guys. This is how you're gonna have to get entered. Now, obviously, you're not gonna do it right now, but if you wanna go buy some merch right now, bro, like, come on. Link in the description. But on all seriousness, the way that you guys are gonna get entered is either it's gonna be probably $20 to $25 gets you an entry, right? Versus like a light bar, it was a real small ticket item. I did $5 entries, so if people only wanted to spend $7 on a decal, I still got them entered, and that's, I mean, that's fair, you know, that's respectable, whatever. For winning a freaking truck, the entries are gonna have to be like 20, 25 bucks. So basically, you're not just throwing $20 out into a trash can and being like, oh, hope I win, but if I don't, I just lost 20 bucks. The way it's gonna be set up is like everything you buy on the merch store counts. So like you still get, let's say you buy a hoodie, it's 50 bucks. That's gonna get you 2 entries. Let's say you buy a t-shirt, you know, whatever, you get the idea. So you can buy a t-shirt, a hoodie, a hat, a decal, whatever. That's gonna be a handful of entries right there. That's how you're gonna get entered. But the best part about a giveaway like this is everybody wins. You still get your merch, you still get your item, like you get what you pay for, you know what I mean? You're not just throwing your money away and you don't get anything out of it. It's like, oh wait, this is a total gamble, I'm gonna lose all my money. No, you get some kind of items in return, you know what I'm saying? So it's not just, you know, you throw your money out and it's going. Like you get stuff out of it. But we gotta do something like that because, I mean, come on. You guys can totally understand, you guys can totally relate. Giving away a truck is great. We can't like literally give away a truck for free. I think you guys can totally understand that. It's just kind of like, I guess it's kind of like a raffle, except you actually get merch out of it and you're not just buying tickets. So, I mean, you guys get it. That's just how all these giveaways work. Okay, so here's another goal. This truck, like I said, I'm thinking about, I believe I said this, I'm thinking about buying it around the beginning of May, if I can, if all's going well, if all these business deals, you know, lock down and I get some good stuff going in. I'd like to buy this truck early May and work on it until about July, you know what I mean? And make it like the summer project for the channel, summer project and giveaway. And then basically start taking orders right in the beginning of July to maybe 3 weeks worth of entries and then give the truck away. And also I have a goal of 50,000 subscribers at the 1-year anniversary of the channel. Okay, I don't know how many of you guys remember. I remember, like, it seriously seems like it was just yesterday. I can't believe I've been doing this for over 8 months now. When was the first video posted on the channel? I want you to give me the date and I want you to give me what video it was down in the comments below. And also, let me know down in the comments. Like I said, this is hypothetical, so don't hold it to me. Be like, oh, dude, you said you were gonna give away, you know, a 12-valve Cummins in, you know, July. Okay, listen, that's a goal of mine. Everybody has goals. You have something, you have to set a goal that you can work towards, you can move forward with, and you can try to achieve. But it doesn't always work. The best you can do is try your best and give your best efforts to make that happen. And trust me, believe me, I'm gonna be working my tail end off trying to make this happen for you guys, but I can't give you a guarantee on that. But I'm just, let me know. I just want you to know that's what I'm feeling. Like I can give away little parts, truck parts and stuff like that, and I'm still gonna do some of that stuff as well. But this is a big thing. Basically, let's also wrap this up. Yes, this is all gonna be my money. My dad's not paying for this truck. He's not paying for half of this truck, okay? I'm paying 100% for the truck that I end up giving away. Everything that goes into it, if there's any money spent on the parts and stuff like that, I'm paying for that as well. So don't think somebody's just handing me a truck to give away and I'm just benefiting from it. That is not how it's gonna go. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm trying to close deals and stuff like that and get stuff worked out with companies. If all goes well, my truck should be not completely done, but mostly done by time this would actually take place, you know, between May and July. My truck should be pretty much done. Can't guarantee anything, but let's just say a lot of stuff's gonna be happening, and I really mean it. Guys, don't think I'm just sitting behind the scenes, like I said, not working on this stuff. I'm working on this stuff every single day, and I can't stress that enough. And I think some people might think that I seriously just flip on the camera, I talk for 10-15 minutes, then I go inside and I curl up by a fire watching movies, and I don't do anything to work on anything behind the scenes. Guys, believe me, I do. Like if you ask my mom, you ask my dad, if you ask my siblings, what does Malachi do when he's not on the camera? He is designing, he's doing research, he's setting goals, he's moving forward, he's trying to get stuff figured out, he's working out numbers. That's what I do every single day. That is what I do with myself every single day, is try to figure out what can be the next big thing. What can I do right now to make my channel that much better down the road? You know what I'm saying? So that's always where my mind's at. That's always where I'm working. Should be some more giveaway stuff coming up really soon, and you guys are going to want to stay tuned for that. I'm actually going to be giving away a couple of items at one giveaway that, you know, multiple people can win. So stay tuned for that stuff. I should have a new small merch drop for that giveaway coming up very soon as well. Some new design stuff for you guys. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for freaking watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Leave likes and comments down below. Would you guys be down to enter, buy some merch to enter into a giveaway? Would you guys be down to win a truck? I mean, of course, you're still gonna have to insure it. You're gonna have to pay your taxes on it. You're gonna have to plate it. You're gonna have to, there's responsibility that goes into it. So it's not just like you just get shipped a truck and, you know, then that's that. I would want to have you guys fly out here. I'd fly you guys out here, hang out for a little bit. You guys get to, you know, see the truck, obviously have the truck, and drive it back, or, you know, whatever you want to do. I don't know, drive down with a bike. So yeah, I think that'd be a really cool thing, and I think it'd be a big thing for a lot of people to get involved with. Leave all those comments down below. Would you guys be down for all that stuff? More exciting things coming, I promise you, trust me. I'd rather be doing more fun stuff right now than this, but this is something I wanted to discuss with you guys, and today, being cold and nasty and windy, was a good day to do it indoors. Join the team, join the family, hit that subscribe button if you guys want to stay tuned. By the way, just a little something. If you're leaving a bunch of hate comments and you get on my block list, you can't enter to win a truck, so just think about that. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.
Doing what I love, going day to day, but I know it takes time and I'm patiently waiting. Sometimes I contemplate, cause one day you feel so close and the next is out of sight. But I know I gotta hold on tight to go back to just going out every night. Like if I'm about to let it go now, I can live alright, live a normal life, doing 9 to 5. But I know I'm more than that. I gained this skill, wasn't born with that. At the end of the life, it's a memory.